Hey guys, this is Kate from Purely Paperless, and I am here with you today to show you a little bit about how Evernote can help you to kind of organize your thoughts, ideas, images, sounds, basically anything that you want to remember, both in your personal life and I think especially for me in my professional life. So to go ahead and get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is go online and download uh, Evernote. And so if you just go to evernote.com, you'll find the download links and information. What I would suggest that you start with is just the basic Evernote app. You can download that to your desktop of your computer, and then once you're kind of started, you can download it to any of your other mobile devices. They have a platform for both Android phones and for any kind of iOS program, iPhones, iPads. So once you've downloaded this from the website, you can go ahead and access it on your computer. Now I use it all the time, and so I selected to have the icon for Evernote always appear down in the dock on my computer. So the icon for Evernote is just this little guy right here, the elephant, because they never forget. So you can go ahead and click on that. And when you first get started in Evernote, each thing that you want to save or remember is saved as a note. So later in the series, I'm going to show you how you can save things from websites, articles, links, basically anything that you want to remember or save. I'm going to show you how to do that using a couple of add-ons in your browser through the Evernote website. But today I just want to show you how you can go ahead and get started creating a note in Evernote. So once you get started here, you'll just open up a basic note, and I'm going to call this one, "Why Should I Use Evernote?" Now, there are lots of reasons, because Kate told me to, because she's often right, and because it's awesome. But furthermore, there are some other reasons to use it. You can store PDFs, images, links, articles, files, just quick thoughts. Oftentimes I'll be laying in bed and remember something, go, oh my gosh, I need to remember this, and I'll just type it in really quick. Sounds, anything you want to remember. And I think for me, the biggest thing is that not only did I save it somewhere, but I know where to retrieve it. And you can access all of the things that you've saved anywhere using their mobile device apps. So once you've saved this, what you're going to want to do is organize it. And Evernote's awesome because I kind of like to think of it like a library. So all of your notes are like the pages in a book, and you need to decide what book to put them in. So for today's purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to drop this into blog ideas. And so my note is now going to be saved in the notebook blog ideas. So I'm going to close that up here and view with the notebooks. So now in Evernote, once you've created a note, you organize them into notebooks. Your notebooks look like this, or if you prefer the less visual look, you can also view it in kind of a list form, like this. So you have a couple options there, and within your notebooks, you have like an endless number of notebooks that you can create. I like to have one for basic to-do lists, for classroom management stuff, kind of classroom ideas I have, healthy living, projects that I'm working on, kind of all of the things that I want to keep track of. I like to create a notebook. But what's really great about Evernote is that in addition to creating specific notebooks, you can group them. And I kind of like to think of this like a bookshelf. So when I group notebooks, they don't merge all the materials, they're just grouped together. So for instance, instead of having 800 notebooks on classroom thoughts all scattered out on my desktop, I can create what's called a stack. And you'll notice it looks like these are two notebooks put together here. So when I click on that, you can see that I have several different notebook options. So in here I have ideas that I want to try, classroom tech ideas, math specific, and sometimes I'll even save informational text that I want to use in shared reading for my classroom, just things that I find online. So once you've done that, it's really easy once you've created a notebook to make a stack. So it's very intuitive. Evernote's interface is just very easy to use. So for instance, if I wanted to put a new stack of kind of all my healthy living, personal developments, my New Year's resolution type of materials together, all I would need to do is click on the notebook and stack them together. So I might call this healthy living. And when I open up Healthy Living, you can see that I have two separate notebooks in here now. It retained all of the formatting. And so when I open up the notebook, here are all my notes that I have here, and I'm ready to go. So when you're in Evernote, I think what's really powerful for educators is the ability to access your information anywhere that you are and to categorize it. So starting tomorrow or the next time in this series, I believe the next post will be January 3rd, I'm going to be talking a little bit about how to retrieve information from the internet, from various sources, and organize it in Evernote. Implications for you as a teacher are endless. I have lots of ideas for assessment and things to share with you, so I hope you'll stick around. Before then, go ahead and download Evernote, get it set up on your computer. I promise you that you will love it. What a great way to stay organized and kind of get things together for the coming year. So thanks for tuning in and have a great day.